a great choice today with the 2020 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, compass, heated steering wheel, power windows, heated front seats, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.